Hey guys, what's up? It's me, Legit. Stick around to the end of this video and I'll be announcing who wins that LDM Exoflex jacket, so good luck everybody, my fingers are crossed for you all. Two moped robbers who were stopped by officers within minutes of snatching a mobile phone in East London have been jailed. Tommy Rogers, who's 20 years old, of Whitmore Estate, Hackney, was sentenced to 2 years imprisonment for robbery, aggravated vehicle taking, no insurance, dangerous driving and handling stolen goods. He was also disqualified from driving for an additional 2 years and 10 months. Alfie Woods, who's 18 years old, of Thrasher Close, Hackney, was sentenced to 16 months imprisonment for robbery, aggravated vehicle taking, possession of cannabis and handling stolen goods. He was disqualified from driving for 18 months. Both men were sentenced at Snaresbrook Crown Court on Monday the 12th of August after admitting the offences at the same court on the 22nd of July. At around 18:30 hours on Friday the 21st of June, moped rider Rogers and pillion passenger Woods mounted the pavement in Hackney Road E2 and snatched a mobile phone from the hands of a female pedestrian. A short time later, officers in a police car saw the moped being ridden away and pursued it, activating lights and sirens. The moped was driven on the pavement and almost collided with a member of the public during the pursuit, which came to an end when the pursuing car made tactical contact. A Channel 5 film crew were with the officers during the pursuit and actually filmed the entire thing. Now we're going to drop down and see it from an officer's perspective on how events unfolded.
Red bike.
Go, 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 go.
Come on.
There he is there.
Councillor Cranbrook Estate now. Cranbrook Estate, near Cranbrook Estate Street. Hold on. Don't do it. Don't do it.
Straight into the park.
Into the park, get round the other side. Stop. Stand by. Where's off now?
Rogers was detained and arrested. Woods made off on foot, but officers located and arrested him in Victoria Park and found clothing he had discarded. Inquiries revealed a number plate on the moped had been stolen earlier that day. The stolen phone was found next to the moped after it had been stopped. Officers carried out searches on both suspects and recovered a quantity of cannabis. Both men were subsequently charged and first appeared in Thames Magistrates Court on the 24th of June. Detective Constable Toby Reynolds from the Operation Venice investigation team said, "These men snatched a phone from an unsuspected woman and then endangered members of the public as they rode through East London trying to evade capture, and officers have a number of lawful tactics which they can use to stop perpetrators." The Operation Venice team run regular proactive patrols in moped crime hotspots to identify offenders and protect the public. Offenders should know that committing offences on mopeds does not give them an advantage over the police. I'd like to end on another great note. Everyone, thank you so much for getting involved in the LDM Exoflex jacket. You've all been amazing, but there is only one winner, and that is Gareth Hope. Thank you very much for getting involved, sir. We are going to send a jacket out to you as soon as possible, so when you get that, I would love to see some pictures. If you could send them in, that would be great. Guys, if you didn't win, I'm sorry, but stay tuned and watch this space because I'm meeting with LDM very soon, and we're going to sit down and talk about the possibilities of where we could go in the future together. So you never know, watch this space. Make sure that like button is smashed and that subscribe button is clicked. Guys, as always, you've been awesome. I've been Legit. I'll see you in the next one.